From 1999 to 2006, the number of people traveling more than 50 miles for leisure increased at a linear rate. In 1999, the number of people traveling 50 miles or more for leisure was 848.6 million. In 2006, that number was 990.2 million people. Let 1999 be year 0, so that 2006 is year 7. Let X represent the number of years after 1999, and Y represents the number of people traveling 50 miles or more. Plot the two data points in the coordinate plane, then draw a line connecting them. To do this, we have the coordinate system set up where Y represents the number of millions of people who travel more than 50 miles or more for leisure. X represents the number of years after 1999. And you can see we have plotted that in 1999 there were 848.6 million people who traveled. So we have that plotted here, approximately. And then 7 years later, there are 990.2 million people traveling 50 miles or more for leisure. So after plotting these points, we can then draw the line connecting them. Now we're ready to go on to the next part of the problem, which is to find the slope of the line. In this one, we're going to let x1, y1 be the ordered pair 0, 848.6, and x2, y2 is the ordered pair 7, 990.2. Then we use the formula for slope. M is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And we substitute in for those values. So we get 990.2 minus 848.6 divided by 7 minus 0. And that gives us 141.6 divided by 7, which is approximately 20.229. So that's the slope of our line. Now we're ready to go on to the next part of the problem. That is to write the equation of the line in slope-intercept form. In this problem, because we know the y-intercept is 0, 848.6, and the slope m is 20.229. We're going to use the slope-intercept form y equals mx plus b. Substituting for m and b, we get that the equation is y equals 20.229x plus 848.6. We're now ready to go on to the last part of the problem. If the trend continues, predict the number of people traveling more than 50 miles for leisure in the year 2010. Round to the nearest tenth. First, we take 2010 minus 1999, and that gives us 11. So we're going to substitute 11 for x and calculate. We're going to let x equal 11. We're going to use the equation y equals 20.229x plus 848.6. we get y equal 20.229 times 11 plus 848.6. Doing the calculation, we get y is 222.519 plus 848.6. And that gives us y is 1071.119, which we can approximate as 1071.1. So in 2010, there are approximately 1071.1 million people traveling more than 50 miles for leisure.